Welcome to this video on using the ATLA religion database to search for resources on a particular scripture passage. I'm going to share 3 quick methods for getting some great journal articles. So we're going to start from the Library Catalog's homepage, librarycatalog.vts.edu. And for this exercise, we're going to be using the ATLA religion database search box, which is this one in the middle. And this is going to search for journal articles in religion. First thing you want to do is click on the Advanced Search button. And I'm going to use the example of the parable of the rich fool. This is Luke 12, verses 13 through 21, or 16 through 21, depending upon how you split up the passage. Method number 1 is to search for articles that cite that exact passage range. To do that, you want to go to the top and click on More, then click on Indexes. Now decide which index you're browsing. In this case, we want to do Bible citation. And then I'm going to enter in my passage. So Luke 12, 13 through 21. I'm going to click Browse. Now it's going to give me a list of articles that are indexed with these particular verse ranges on the left hand. So I'm going to click on the ones that include my passage. Usually there's going to be multiple options to choose from. You can click all of them, any of the ones that include your passage range or seem relevant to. So I chose a decent amount here, and I'm going to click Add. That adds them to my search, and then I click Search, and then I'm going to go back to the results page, and it's going to give me all of the articles, in this case 26, that have that one of these exact verses as their indexed citation. This will be articles on the parable of the rich fool. That's method number 1. Method number 2 would be to start with this type of search and look in the subject field for the various search results. And this one I'm noticing that rich fool parable is a subject. These are cataloging terms that the cataloger has used to describe that journal article. And some of the other ones we will probably find the same thing. If you notice a particularly common subject that's appearing in a lot of your journal article examples, you can try another search with that subject. So I'm going to copy this subject, go back to the top, start over, type in that subject, and then in select a field, I'm going to choose subject. So now I'm going to be searching for journal articles with that subject, the rich fool parable. You see I got a different number of results because sometimes things are indexed differently. But now I have results of all of the journal articles that have been indexed as their subject being on the rich fool. So there's another list of articles for me to look at. The third method is to do the Scripture Browse feature. So at the top, there's a Scriptures button. Click on that. And from here, it's going to open up a canonically ordered list of books of the Bible. So I'm going to click Next until I get to Luke. Here's Luke, and I click on Expand. Chapter 12, Expand. And I'm going to start with verse 16 since that's where my parable starts. I'm going to choose verse 16. And I'm going to get another list of results, so this time 220. This is a list of results where the articles contain Luke 12:16 somewhere in them. And that could mean that they're articles on all of Luke or on chapters 10 through 15, which also includes chapter 12. So this isn't as precise of a search as before, but if you're not getting good results, this is a third option to try. And you can scroll through these articles to see if any of these seem relevant to you. That's 3 quick methods on using the ATLA religion database to search for articles on a particular scriptural passage.